Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor. Kind of an off-road racer edition of the F-150. This is by far my favorite pickup truck I have had the pleasure to drive. Superb handling vehicle. It's just absolutely fantastic. In order to access the bed, push that button, step pops out, you have the boom, hold on, and you can go right up. To retract the boom, push the button that says 1, push down the button that says 2, stows right away. That folds up all nice and neat in there. Really a great design. Love the Raptor graphics. This is the Super Crew Edition, 3.5 liter V6, EcoBoost twin turbo. Really a great power plant for this truck. With the 10-speed automatic, it is phenomenal. Total MSRP on this one, which is pretty much fully loaded, $75,950. Absolute ton of room back here. Really nice panoramic sunroof. Nice faux carbon fiber trim throughout. I'm a big fan of this truck. I love these side steps too. They have kind of like a bed liner texture to them. Overall, absolutely superb. Wow. Up here you have some auxiliary switches. So if you were to fit light bars, stuff like that, you don't have to drill into the truck. Ford already pre-wired them for you. Probably the hands down the biggest center console I've seen. Pretty cool. More carbon fiber trim. It's your key, it says Raptor on it. Really nice key. I'm a big fan of it. Yeah, without further ado, let's go for a drive. You have really nice metal paddles behind the wheel. I am in sport mode for the drive. I'll maintain that mode. Actually, I'll show off the truck's off-road capabilities. Go back a little bit more. Put it into manual mode. What are we gonna put it? Baja, rock crawl. Let's put it into Baja mode. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. The way that it just soaks up the bumps compared to in sport mode, that's very impressive. Oh, gotta drop that rear window. While the first generation Raptor had a naturally aspirated V8, second generation Ford decided to go with the twin turbo EcoBoost motor putting out over 400 horsepower, propelling this truck 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds in a full-size pickup truck. That is frankly unheard of. It is absolutely fantastic. While people do complain that the V6 Raptor doesn't have the sound of the V8, it has its own very, very unique sound, and it sounds really, really good. On some downshifts, lifting off the throttle at higher RPMs, you do get some nice pops and cracks from the exhaust. Well, I think they do pump in some sound into the cabin through the speakers. I don't think it's all that much, to be frankly honest. And a lot of the noise is coming from out back. Put it into normal drive mode for the acceleration. That's frankly crazy. It's just so quick. I mean, you're sitting here, it's not McLaren 720S fast. It doesn't claim to be. But for a full-size vehicle, it's definitely the fastest I've driven other than maybe the Model X off the line. It's really impressive. Man. Just absolutely amazing. This nice red stripe on the steering wheel is great for off-roading. You know exactly when you're pointed back straight and where your steering wheel is. The truck, I'm not gonna hide it, it's a large truck. The orange lights on the grille signify, it's actually a US market federal mandate that any vehicle over 80 inches wide has to have those orange marker lights. So being completely honest, in a small city or with tight roads like this here in Quincy, it's a little big for the road. But what's nice is you have lane keep assist, a bunch of safety features that let you know when you're drifting from the lane, stuff like that. So it's really, really easy to keep in check on these tighter roads. I've been driving it mainly in manual mode. Using these metal paddles is super rewarding. Really, really superb. I think it should be known that I'm actually thinking about buying one of these. It's a really good truck. And it's just a great all-around vehicle. You're never gonna have to worry about ground clearance unless you're trying to climb Mount Everest. Snow, what's that? This truck, I mean, conquers anything. And just the overall appearance of it, the street cred, the presence on the road, makes it such a unique vehicle, such a special experience to drive. I'll be completely honest, I'm pretty in love with this truck. I don't say that about many vehicles. Not many vehicles are this good. I mean, it's great to drive on twisty roads. It's absolutely a beast off the road. You have tons of room in the back. I really can't think of a more all-around vehicle for under $100,000. Even people who aren't into trucks. I wasn't a huge truck person until I drove a Raptor, and I started to understand these things. It is so good. So good. I don't think many trucks will ever come close to what the Raptor has created. And manufacturers are still trying to come up with trucks to compete with the Raptor. And I'll be completely honest, the Raptor still beats them. You know, this is the best off-road truck you can walk into a showroom and buy today. On that note, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.